Traders, step aside from the building because I think it's about to come down. Both stocky market and maybe even gold and silver for the short-term level. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So let's get straight into today. Check out the markets today, guys. All right, so an update across what is going on around these markets. So starting off with the good old Russell, right? Russell, look at the Russell here. Russell has actually indeed made a V-top. V-top in the markets, right? Possible V-top. Possible up, possible down, possible up, okay? So V-top in the markets. Also, you can see, look at this here. Bam, bam, bam. V-top at resistance. We could be getting ready for more downside to come out of the Russell here. So there's actually this V-top, 3 resistance and a V-top. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there with the Russell. Let's go look at all the other indices such as the S&P 500, and look at this here. Not too fast, guys. Not too fast. Okay, what I mean by not too fast is this. Okay. Looking at the stock market here, I really do see the thing about the stock market is that once we've actually had a very big move up for a while like this, guys, we've been going up for quite some time. The market is not ready for another big move here. So if you think the market's getting ready to ricochet rabbit to the upside, here we go, firecracker, bam. No, not yet, right? Not yet. Okay. So that's what we're looking at through there, guys. I do see what's probably likely going to happen, right? If I'm looking at the good old stocky market, S&P, we're probably going to fail around here somewhere and start to do something like this. See what happened last time we went through one of these phases? Guess what? Up, sideways, up. Oh, and we did what? Down, down, and then we started the bull market. So what's probably coming next? Down, down, and then the next bull market, right? Here, up, lower, high, short term. I always call this a short-term downward trend because you got the high, lower, high, lower, high. But inevitably, what I believe is this is just a big swing, right? Big swing. Big swing up, big swing down, big swing up, big swing down, big swing up, big swing down, big swing up, big swing down. And that's why I said at the start of this video, short-term analysis, we're getting ready for a very big bang through here. So 3 resistance, V-top, market drop. Hey, I may even title that video. The video that 3 resistance, V-top, resistance drop. Well, that's the Russell anyway, not the S&P. Moving on now through to the Nasdaq. And the Nasdaq is doing, I believe, sort of the same thing. But I do see the Nasdaq probably doing something different. We're right at this level of resistance. We came down, came back up. Not too soon. We're about to drop like a rock. I believe we're likely to hold here and then start to come down through to here and do something like that. Look at this here. High, down, up. Oh, bull market's continuing. And then drop down, up. Here we go. No, up. Now, oh, V bottom. Then we start the upward trend, right? So look at this here. This was about what, 2 to 3 months? Was it 2 to 3 months? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. Let's not guess, John. Let's actually do here. So that was what? 100 days. 30, 60, 90. I'm doing calculations in my head right now. 30 days, 60 days. So around about 3 months. 3 months, guys. Okay, 3 months. So whenever the market does what? Very big move like this, we have what? We have a period of this. 2 to 3 months. Guess what we're experiencing through here? 2 to 3 months. So 2 to 3 months, let's do the same. From there to there, before we started to see the up move, we had what? 100, let's just call it 100 days, right? From the high to the 100 days. Let's just see, if the 100 days was the same thing, let's do this here. And now let's go from the tippity top, right? Top here. And let's go through to 100 days. 100 days is around about there, right here. Right there. Where is that? June. I actually think it's going to be a bit longer than that, but that's where we're seeing there, right? Tippity top. That was that point through there. Now, if it was this point through here, now we're talking, aren't we? It's roughly the same, but different, right? Round about this level through here. So that July period, end of June into July. I believe that July-August period, guys, as you can see. This level through here is where I believe we're likely to start to see some movement to the upside. If we go look at the Dow Jones, same sort of similar situation, right? Look at this here. Very big move up. So if we've had a very big move up, and this has been, what, 6 months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, around about 5 to 6 months of upward movement. You would expect what? At least 2 to 3 months of not really doing much, right? So that's the reason why, guys, if you think, oh, here we go, we're getting ricochet rabbit to the upside. I don't think so. Why? Because we need enough time to refuel, right? Let's refuel this guy up, and let's actually then because we're probably going to like to do something like this, then come down on a short-term level basis. I would say that 36,000 level, possibly even lower. That's that resistance all through there, guys, all through there. We're probably not going to make our way down there, and then guess what? I did a session today with my private traders, because every single week I do a private session with them, and it actually went for 2 hours today. And one of the things I was talking to them about and was this whole thing here, guys, was about seeing this market having a pullback. Now we went into absolute detail about the weekly charts, and I'm not going to spend 2 hours with you guys because I really went deep with them today. But guys, if you'd like to learn more information about how I actually trade, I ran a webinar. You can actually see the replay of that webinar. That's that second link in the description. If you go to johnsfreetraining.com, you'll be able to see the replay to that webinar that I did, and you'll be able to learn the strategy that I actually use to actually trade these markets, right? Because there's so many amazing opportunities out there. The question is, are you missing out on them? So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Looking at the gold market through here as well too. Gold market, look at this here, up, sideways, up, and now we're doing what? Now we're probably going to expect something really similar to that effect, right? Which is what? Which is we had this move to the upside, and now we had this very big move to the upside, so now we're probably going to spend a bit of time. And if we're looking for a rough gauge, I would say possibly maybe, right? On a short-term level, this weekly chart is probably going to maybe do some little sideways movement. We may even get this 24 moving average coming up through here. And so for the next couple of weeks, may just do something like this. And then I believe gold is going to then start to make a move up towards possibly at 3,000 level, right? Which could be the next trading opportunity. Or we may do something like this here. So that's scenario number 1. Or scenario number 2 is actually we get a drop here. Then we create a higher low, and then we start to pick back up as well too, right? So then we create a low, we create a higher low, we create a higher low, and away we go from there. Make sense, guys? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Also, guys, I've been speaking to some people here. I've been speaking to some people lately as well too, guys. And here's a really big thing for you, okay? When trading the markets. Let me make sure that this is working okay for you guys. Right? So there we go. Yeah, cool. All right. So I've been speaking to a lot of people out there, guys, and put it this way, guys. Over the next 10 or so years, we know the middle class. I honestly believe the middle class, and who cares? The middle class and the middle class and also the lower class are going to get destroyed in this world. We know that they're getting raped right now, guys, and it's so important that you continue to you work really, really hard on making sure you get leaving close to the upper class, the upper 50% or even the top 20%, right? And you start to do really well from that. One of the big things I do say is I even spoke to some people yesterday, and if you are this type of person, if you are not doing well in your trading, and you've been spending years trading, you're obviously doing something wrong. Have a humble pie. I spoke to some people yesterday, and they've been trading for 5 years. They were losing money last year for the last 12 months, but then they try to tell me that what they're doing is actually working. I'm like, let's actually be real about what you're doing, okay? If you're not doing well, just say, I'm doing something wrong. I'm trading the market wrong. I'm approaching the market wrong, and I'm thinking about how I'm actually trading the markets wrong. Because you could be thinking completely wrong, right? Like your thinking might be, I need to be making a trade every single day to be making money. If that's your thinking, it's the wrong thinking, right? I need to make $1,000 a week. if that's your thinking, it's the wrong thinking, right? On the big picture scheme of things. So, I really want you, please try, if you're trying to do really well from this training and you're not doing well, stay humble and get some help, right? And it's not all about just education. That's why with me and with my coaching program is closed, by the way, so you can't get access to it. But stay humble, guys, and get some help, okay? And be honest with yourself. Don't be like these guys that I spoke to yesterday. One guy's been speaking training for 5 years. He struggled for 5 years. And he was trying to tell me that what he was doing is actually working. I'm like, no, I'm trying to actually help you. I've been trading the market for 20 years, right? I've been where you are right now, and I'm on the other side trying to help you out, but he just wouldn't listen to me. He's so arrogant, and he's always going to keep, and he's spending the last 5 years, and he's not going to get it because he's so arrogant around there. Guys, stay humble. But then if you're not doing well, it's not the market. The market doesn't ever get you. It's you that gets you. You're getting it at the wrong time. You're not actually even having an edge. You're not being disciplined to that edge. There's so many things out there that you could be doing wrong with your trading, and that's actually stopping you from actually doing really, really, really well out of trading.